How to find out whether you are eligible for Section 8 properties on AffordableHousing.com. Now families can search for affordable housing by voucher size. Let's say someone with a Section 8 voucher has a monthly income of $2,200 and a voucher size of 1 bed. By clicking View, the map will automatically update based on properties that fall within the Section 8 eligibility requirements of this specific voucher. The map icons and legend are color-coded. Green means that it meets Section 8 eligibility, yellow means that it's nearing eligibility, and red means that it exceeds Section 8 eligibility. There are also color-coded determinations on all the listings. Once you click on a listing, scroll down to the affordability calculator. For this example, you will see near Section 8 eligibility requirement color-coded in yellow to reflect that of the requirements on the map. For this property that meets Section 8 eligibility requirements, you'll see that it's color-coded green. You will be able to take a look at who is paying for what, based on the breakdown provided in the affordability section under who pays how much. Determining your Section 8 eligibility is made simple with AffordableHousing.com.